Hey guys, it's Ron here. So just real quick, I just got the flight deck from Polar Pro sent to me from DroneWorks. Got it today, literally just got home. It's dark outside. Pulled in the driveway, put the kids to bed and started putting this together. It took just about 2-3 minutes, nothing spectacular. The durability and the quality of this, the quality of workmanship is just amazing. It's metal. It's not very heavy. It's solid, that's all I can say. It's holding a 9.7-inch iPad, as you can see. This kind of gives you a nice look on here. You know, I don't have it, you know, my controller turned on or anything. I'm not flying tonight or anything, but just want you to get a good look. Check this out. I mean, look at this. It's holding the controller. It's holding that without a problem. I know a lot of tablet holders, you have issues with something like this where it's not gripping it hard enough and it starts slipping out. But this has the case on it too, which makes it fatter. I know a lot of tablet holders will not allow you to put a case on it. So again, this is just the quality of workmanship from Polar Pro Flight Deck. I highly recommend giving DroneWorks a call. I'll put pricing and links in the description below. But guys, check this out. If you guys are flying a Mavic, if you're flying the Mavic Air, if you're flying the Zoom, if you're flying the Pro, heck, this is the enterprise controller. It all fits. I put it in there with my, you know, same controller, so it all fits. It's really comfortable, and the balance of weight is just really good. It's kind of really it's really central onto the majority of the weight feels like it's right here, right where you hold your hands. It's not top heavy, bottom heavy, or side heavy. And again, guys, look at this, just phenomenal. Look at this, just again turning it over. You know, again, you're not gonna fly like that, you know, but I mean, it just shows you how the good quality is because it's metal. It's not plastic. It's not cheap. Very good. So guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Happy flying. Be safe.